Hello, this tutorial is going to show you how to use the visual search in Destiny. Make sure that you've found Destiny and you've clicked on Our School, and then you need to click on the Catalog tab. Also make sure it's on Library Search over at the left. To find a visual search, you need to come over to these tabs over on the right hand side. Your usual search is the basic search, which is this one. And today we're going to look at the visual search. So please click on visual. And what you'll see is a series of pictures. And each of those pictures stands for a book list. And underneath is written what type of books are on that list. So this is a book list of animals. We've got some holiday books, books about the military, science books, nursery rhymes, fairy tales, all kinds of books. To get into the book list, you need to click on the picture. So I'm going to click on sports for now. And sometimes you'll see another picture or pictures. In this case, we have several to choose from. I'm going to choose basketball books. What you'll see is a list of the books in our library that have something to do with basketball. May not have every single book, but it has quite a few of them, most of them. If we scroll all the way down to the bottom of this list, we notice a little green arrow. And what that's telling you is that this is not a complete list, that there's another page. So I'm going to click on that arrow to see the rest of the list. So this is a way you can look through and see if there are books that might be of interest to you. Some of these books in this list are nonfiction or true books, you'll notice, because they start with a number over here where it lists the call number. Some are fiction, and we know that because the call number will start with an E for an everybody book or an FIC for fiction. When you are deciding whether you want to check a book out or not, one thing you do need to pay attention to is this, whether or not it's in. So if you're looking for a book and it says in, then that would be a fine book to check out. But if you notice it says out, then don't bother with that one. That means somebody else has checked that book out ahead of you. You'll have to wait till it comes back. If you decide you want to check a book out, something that you need to make a note of is writing down the title and the call number so that if you're looking in the library and you can't find it, we can help you. As you are looking through the list, if you decide you're not interested in anything on that list, the way to get back to the search are using these, what we call breadcrumbs at the top in this dark green ribbon. To get back, you can click on the next word, or to get all the way back, click all the way back to the first word, and you'll be at the beginning of the search. I do want to point out one list on our visual list that looks a little bit different, and I'm sure some of you will go here, so I want to make sure that I show you this list, Comic Book Superheroes. Just because of the way that this list was made, it looks a little bit different than some of the other lists. And if you want to make sure that that book is in before you go looking for it, you just need to know that you need to click on the details by the title, and then you can see if the title is in or not. To return your library search to its regular basic search, you can either click on Library Search here or here, and then click on the Basic tab. And then you'll see this screen that you're used to seeing the next time you log in. And that's how you use a visual search.